As crocheters, it is never too early to get a head start on planning for the holidays. Hi, I'm Vivi. Welcome back to my channel. As you've probably gathered, today I'm going to show y'all some projects for you to complete for the holiday season, starting right now, because Christmas will be here before you know it. And as a crocheter, you don't want to be scrambling at the very last minute to get all of your gifts and your decorations done in time for Christmas Day. So you're in luck, because today I'm going to show y'all some of the best free patterns / tutorials for you to follow for Christmas. I love this season, I love these projects, and so let's not waste any time. Let's jump into it. I've categorized all of these different patterns so that you can skip to whichever you're the most interested in. All of these patterns are linked in the description below, so you can just click that link and go straight to the ones that you want to do. The first one that we're going to talk about are plushies. First, we have this adorable snowman tutorial. Look how stinking cute that is. I love the snowman. And those can be up, through past New Year's, February, winter. It's more winter themed. And next we have this reindeer plushie. Look how adorable. And to go with your reindeer plushie, it would be perfect to do this Santa plushie. Wouldn't that be so cute? You can set them next to each other. And then we have a gingerbread man plushie. You can put it next to your little gingerbread houses. I love it. I love the Christmas plushies. I love all of them. That covers it for the Christmas plushies. Next we have wearables. If you're like me, my favorite thing ever is making wearables, because I just love wearing them out, being able to tell people, oh, thank you, I crocheted this. So if you're like me, this section's for you. First, we have this adorable Snoopy sweater. I'm obsessed with the Snoopy sweater. I think it's so cute. Next, we have just this unique, cute, Christmassy themed sweater. I think this one is so original and unique. So this is such a fun one. Next, we have this snowflake cardigan. Look how cute that is. I could also see this. She did it in white and red. I could totally see it in white and like a light blue color. Like, I have it right here. This color is what I would do it in. I think that would be really cute, but that's also just kind of my aesthetic. The red is super cute too. But I think that is such a cute cardigan. So perfect for the holiday season. And again, for the winter in general, not even just Christmas. So next we have this reindeer sweater. I think it's kind of similar to the vibes of the Snoopy sweater. So this would be so cute. Again, this one is very Christmassy. I love the character sweaters. I think that's so fun. Now, if you don't want to make a full-on sweater, this Santa hat, so cute. And this would be a good one, I think, to make for markets and pop-up shops and things like that, because it's not really sized, or to sell on Etsy, because I think you can make a lot more of them than a sweater, of course. So this would be a good one for that, or for gifts or something like that. Similarly, this Christmas tree beanie, I think it's so unique, so cutesy. I think this one would also be good for markets and things like that for the holiday season. And that's what I have for the wearables. So our next section is holiday decor. This is another favorite of mine, because I love decorating for the holidays. I love walking around my house and it just feeling like Christmas. First up, we have this simple little ornament pattern. I think this one is so cute. It's like your classic Christmas ornament, but made out of yarn. So this one is really cute, classic Christmas. Next, we have another ornament, but it's a little Christmas tree. I love this stitch, the like bobble stitch that it has. I think it's so precious. And again, all of these patterns would be good for markets and pop-up shops and Etsy's. Next, we have this adorable wreath ornament. Look at that. The white outline looks kind of like snow that's fallen on the wreath. And next we have this snowflake. This could be perfect for an ornament or a little snowflake garland type thing. And it would be fun to hang them at different lengths so it's like snow falling. I have a lot of ideas for the snowflake ones. I think this one is so cute. Such a cute pattern. And again, winter themed, not just Christmas. Next, if you want to crochet your very own stockings, this would be so cute for the whole family. You could crochet everyone their own different color and it can be customized. I think this is such a cute way to decorate your house. Now we have this bauble tree. It's similar to the tree ornament, but it's like a stand-up tree. Such a cute little decor item. I'm obsessed with this one. I think it's so cute. Here's one that I can't wait to make. I'm definitely making this one because I love pillows. I love pillows. So this cute candy cane pillow. Is that not the cutest stinking thing? be so fluffy, and yeah, I love the pillow. I'm definitely making a candy cane pillow. Those are the decor items. So the final category that we're gonna go through are just granny squares. You can make so many things out of granny squares. Blankets, cardigans, so many things. First, we have this snowflake granny square. I love the snowflakes. And next we have this Christmas tree granny square. This looks a little bigger than just a typical granny square. It's more like a panel, but there's a lot you could do with that still. I love this one. And then we have another Christmas tree granny square. This one seems more like a little granny square. You can make it smaller. So 2 Christmas tree granny squares, whichever one you prefer. I'm probably gonna make things out of both, just knowing myself. Then we have this little wreath granny square. I love this one because I love the little bow coming out of it. It could be a cute, I could just see that on a sweater. You know, a sweater with the little bows coming out of it. That's so cute. I love, love, love this one. And the final one is this Christmas flower. I think it kind of looks like a poinsettia too. Does anyone else's mom always have poinsettias around the house? I feel like every Christmas we just had so many poinsettias around. Anyway, poinsettia granny square. I hope you're feeling more prepared for the Christmas season after this video. And feel free to like and subscribe for more crochet content. I make my own tutorials, crochet vlogs, things like this. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me today. Happy holidays and happy crocheting. I hope you're able to get all of your holiday projects done in time for the season. Yeah, comment below what you're most excited to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye.